In today's video, I'm going to teach you 6 hidden Miro features that dramatically boost productivity. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Miro is famous for its infinite canvas and real-time collaboration, but there are several powerful tools that quietly sit in the background and can save you hours each week. I'll walk you through each one, explain why it matters, and share simple tips to help you use them right away. First up is TalkTrack, Miro's asynchronous presentation tool. Instead of scheduling another meeting, you can record an audio or video walkthrough of your board. Move through frames, point to key areas, and narrate your updates once. Teammates in any time zone can play it back when they're ready, leaving comments directly on the board. It's perfect for status updates, handoffs, or stakeholder reviews. Keep recordings short and focused, and use clearly named frames to guide viewers. Next are the built-in apps, accessible from the bottom toolbar under the 3-dot menu. Voting lets you run quick, anonymous decision-making sessions without sticky note counting or dot stickers. Set how many votes each person gets and a time limit, then instantly see what rises to the top. The timer is great for keeping workshops tight. Start a 5-minute brainstorm and let the countdown keep everyone focused. These tools are easy to miss in the interface, but once you start using them, you'll wonder how you worked without them. Protected lock is a lifesaver during large workshops. Standard lock prevents most users from moving an object, but protected lock ensures only the board owner or co-owner can unlock it. Use it on templates, instructions, or navigation elements so nothing critical gets nudged out of place. It prevents accidental edits and saves time on cleanup. Smart, or assisted drawing, helps turn rough freehand sketches into clean, editable shapes. With the pen tool active, toggle assisted draw and sketch a circle or rectangle. Miro smooths it into a perfect shape. It's ideal for building flowcharts and diagrams quickly without manual cleanup. For daily speed, rely on keyboard shortcuts to switch tools instantly. Press V for the select tool, H to switch to the hand tool and pan around, and N to drop a sticky note. Avoiding trips to the toolbar saves seconds every time, and those seconds add up. Finally, use the Frames panel in the bottom right as a living table of contents. Name frames clearly, like agenda, SWOT analysis, and action items, and jump straight to any section. It's the best way to navigate complex boards and helps viewers follow your talk track or live session with zero scrolling. Try these features on your next board, and watch your collaboration move faster with less friction. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.